so here we are in the kitchen. I'm gonna make us some rooibos. Rooibos. I just thought I'd make that sign because a lot of people love to mutilate this word. Rooibos is an African bush tea that is not Camellia sinensis. No caffeine, but chock full of antioxidants, flavonoids, and minerals. And then I'm gonna make it a way so that we really get the electrolyte level, so that we are hydrated and recharged for shoveling. Join me, here we go. So here's the beautiful red rooibos. I'm gonna drink it straight, just so you can see that. Delicious. It's a really nice, warm, hot beverage with just very subtle honey and vanilla notes. But now I'm going to make it for shoveling time. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and then a little bit of honey. And then now I'm going to add the red rooibos. So it didn't take much. I'm gonna mix that up for us. And I'm gonna have a little sip for you. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. That salt, that honey just really make that vanilla and floral honey notes come out. You're gonna love this. So that's for shoveling time. When you're done, then another way that you can drink your rooibos when you're ready to just relax, because again, remember, this does not have any caffeine. You can drink it straight, or like they do in South Africa, with a little bit of milk. Maybe a little honey if you want, or straight. Delicious. There's so many ways to enjoy this beautiful African bush tea. Cheers. See you soon.